Papa, you happy? Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we got some good news. The truck is ready to finally be picked up. So after just a little bit over a year, Randy finished the whole motor. We are good to go. And I'm going to surprise my dad today. So, going to move the Civic out. I'm going to drive that today because the no limit tank was acting kind of funny, and haven't done nothing with the Type R swap Civic. So just to show you a sneak peek, I do have goodies for it, and battery is dead again after I purchased a new battery, so that sucks because the damn clock stays running. So because of the quarantine, I really don't need to use this no more. Can't go anywhere, ride my bike or anything, so I gotta take this off. I'll probably do that today. But yeah, so got my mask. Let me go ahead and get this car outside warmed up, and let's head to my dad's and pick him up, and we'll go surprise him. So let me sit you guys down and get this going. Made it to my dad's. This Honda Civic always parks in front of my house, or my dad's house. So my dad's getting ready, then we're taking the Sentra I used to drive in high school, and we're heading to go get the truck. Let's go get the truck.
Don't you want to, you don't like to lose, huh? Huh? I'm just going to run.
Are you excited to get the truck?
Get it. Don't get excited though. What did he say?
The truck's ready. Come pick it up. Let's go get the truck. One in the corner.
The close one?
There you go. Where you see him, Papa?
Oh, there he is.
Can you walk? You need your cane?
I'm okay. All right.
Randy here or not?
Yeah, he's not. He went to go get food, but
Oh, okay.
he has to check out the truck. And
Yeah, hell yeah.
yeah, it's in there.
Hell yeah.
I think the hood's open too.
Did he ever make a second copy? Do you know?
No, I don't think so.
Yeah, how to open the hood.
I think it's like right here, the hinge. Right here.
Oh yeah. Woo, boy, look at that. How you like it, Papa?
Yeah, it's clean motor.
Go start it. Start it up.
One explode, huh?
Oh yeah.
Nah.
Woo, hella quiet. Oh yeah, sounds hella good. Got the truck back. The truck's working now. Got the gold valve covers too, Papa.
What?
Randy painted the valve cover gold. You see it?
Which one?
See the valve cover? It's gold now.
Yeah. Where's Randy right now?
He went to go get food.
Huh?
He went to go get food. How do you like it?
Your son is original.
Yeah. Sounds just brand new, 0 mileage. 0 miles. Completely rebuilt. Everything redone. Huh?
Are you wait for him?
You know how long he'll be? Yeah. Oh, okay. Alright.
We'll wait for him.
No, he's gonna be gone for a while.
Okay. You wanna try?
Yeah. You ready to go?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah.
There's one more key that we have to have it.
Yeah.
He has to. He didn't make it, Papa.
Huh?
He didn't make it yet. We'll have
Not a
to.
chip or anything, huh?
No, it's just a key copy.
Okay. Alright, you
We'll have to do it.
anywhere else.
Yeah. Want me to drive it? Okay. So I'm just waiting on my dad to swing around. Parking lot. I don't know where he's at. But the engine is ridiculously quiet. It sounds way better than a brand new car. So I'm very, very pleased with this. This is really good. On the body we have 202906, and we're gonna have 0 mileage. So we gotta drive it for 5,000 to break in, and then we're good to go. So I don't know where my dad is. I'm gonna go look for him. So we're back home. Truck's in the garage. Got the Civic out. Went to the dude's house, told him to move his Civic. I didn't tell him to drive it somewhere else. I just told him pull up because he was parked right in the middle. And I didn't want him to, you know, if I have guests come over, they need another parking spot. So you park in the middle, you take up another spot. So Civic's here, truck's here. Came at him a little bit rough, but if you know who I am, that's just how I do. I don't fuck around. So engine is super clean. He did a great job at cleaning the engine bay. The valve covers look freaking awesome in here. So I like how it matches with the 34 gold. So it came out really, really nice. So just little scuff marks right here, but it's all good. Yeah, good job running so quiet. Brand new freaking truck. Freaking awesome. My dad's excited. We got to go make a copy of the other key. So Randy lost the other one, so we're gonna go to Lowe's right now and make another copy of the key. So how do you like it, Papa? You happy with the truck?
Yeah, I'm happy they're clean and it's running.
How do you like the sound?
The
How do you like the sound?
uh,
How do you like the sound?
They're very good. They're all clean. That's brand new.
So
They changed this, huh?
yeah, Randy painted it nice in gold, so nice,
And
looks nice and clean.
now what we have to do is to talk to him. How long is the warranty? That's
Yeah.
one thing.
If something's wrong, just bring it back. That's what he said.
Bring it back.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just as long as you take care of the maintenance, like you should have been doing.
Okay, 400.
So-
5,000.
So 5,000 miles to break in the engine. Check the oil. If anything, I'll change your oil for you so we don't ruin this engine.
Okay, good.
So
And the key in the back.
I have it on right here.
got it?
I have it.
Oh, okay.
So I have it on my keychain. So I'll give it to you.
Okay.
But yeah, everything's there. You just don't have the key for the hitch, right?
For the
The hitch. The key to unlock the hitch. Towing hitch.
unlock the what?
Towing hitch.
What is that?
Here, I'll show you. Is it for the spare tire or for the hitch?
Yeah, I don't have that.
You don't have the key for that?
No.
That's fine. Just leave it on then. You'll be fine. So the tires are nice and shined. Still got some tread on it, so should be okay. We might have to do an alignment, Papa.
Which one? The
So-
front or the back?
Front and back. So do a full alignment just to be safe.
Full line?
Full alignment.
Really?
Yeah. Because they pulled out the engine and everything. So just in case the suspension got tweaked or something, you don't want to mess up your tires.
Okay.
So we'll have to do alignment just to be safe. But yeah, everything is freaking nice. So shout out to Auto Up Garage for finishing up the truck. Doing such a great job. And I'm very, very happy. So let's go make a copy at Lowe's. Alright, so I'm back home. Took a nap at my dad's. Could not make a copy of the key for his truck because of the whole COVID or coronavirus. So they said they won't touch keys, and the automatic ones don't do car keys, they only do like home keys. So I'm actually gonna just take the bike rack off, set it up here, and then not drive with the bike rack on anymore because I'm not riding my bike far anymore. So just gonna take the keys, unlock it, take it off, and then head into the house. So let me take this off right quick. Bike rack is off. Got it just sitting on top of the other car. So this dog wants to come in the house so bad. But yeah, I'm gotta get used to not having it on. Just feels weird to me. But I'll save more gas. So alright y'all, let's head inside. Alright, so if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Tomorrow morning I finally get to go see the dermatology doctor as you guys saw in my videos, I do have psoriasis, so finally gonna get some medicine and stuff for it. So alright guys, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, thank you again. Like, comment, subscribe, and shout out to Randy Auto Up Garage for taking care of my dad's truck. So awesome. Thank you guys. Have a great night, great day, great morning, whatever I post this. Alright, peace.